Welcome back everybody to this week's video. So today we are going to be making a vase and we are going to be doing it out of various layers of woods. So as you can see right now we are just gluing up the first couple of layers. Alright, that's the first one dry, and here goes on the second. Alright, now that one has dried up. Now we are going to turn that to shape. And the first tool we're going to use is the mid-size rougher from Easy Wood Tools. Getting that both perfectly flat. There we go. Going to mark halfway between the two. Put a line. And we're going to turn the lathe back on and we are going to turn it to our desired shape. And we are using the mid-size finisher for this. All tools and cutters, even the lathe, will be listed down in the description. And there you go. There's the outside of the bottom part done. Now we are going to hollow out the bottom half. We're going to start with the mid-size detailer. Go to the number 1 hollower. Gonna get out the bulk of all of that with the hollower. And now we'll switch to the number 3 hollower, so we can get right into them corners. And there you go. I'm going to blow all that dust out with some compressed air. Alright, so now we're going to glue up the next layers. Here we go, here's layer 4, 5 and 6 coming. There we go, that's had time to dry, so now we can turn them to shape. And we're going back to the mid-size finisher. I was real down with no bailout on my own, all alone, left to bleed out. But I rose up from the ground, just like I was spellbound. All the odds were against me, so I picked up the pace, and now I'm in the race. Give me some space. I'm a movement and I ain't losing. Gonna go, 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 go. Like a bullet, won't take no bullshit. You should just finishing off that top half now. I'm about to explode. And there we go. Alright, so now we're going to hollow it out and we're going to start with the number 1 hollower again. So I've been told that I should fold and give in. I can't win in this game, no. But you can hear me laughing. I'm the new thing in this field. You should kneel instead of me now. Yeah, I rose up from the dead. Your words inside my head.
now we switch to the finisher. And there you go. Clean it out with some compressed air. And now we're going to glue the last piece of oak on. If the glue will ever come out the bottle. And there we go. Alright, now that's had time to dry, we can turn the last piece to shape. And back to the mid-size finisher. And there we go. Giving it a quick check. Alright, we're just going to drill out with a Forstner bit. There we go. And we're going to finish off hollowing with the #1 hollower. Here's the #3 hollower again. And there we go. Alright, so I've already done most of the sanding, so this is just 240 grit from Clean Floor Abrasives. There we go. Bit of a clean off with some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol.
Your words have never been wrong. You are my own safety zone. You're solid like a granite stone.
Some sanding sealer. Some Yorkshire Grit abrasive paste. Just wipe this all over till you have a clean paper towel and you have the equivalent of around about 1,000 grit. There we go, just going to buff that in. There we go, last few wipes now. There we go. And now some finishing wax. So you just wipe this all over, let the solvents evaporate, turn the lathe up to about 1,000 to 1,200 and buff it in. Be careful not to push too hard, you don't want to wipe off any wax that you just put on. Just buff it in using your fingertips and build up that heat. There we go, just buff it in. Here are some pictures. I'd like to thank everybody for watching this video. Please don't forget, hit that thumbs up, click the subscribe button, share your friends, share your family, share your enemies if you like. And if you want to see any more of my videos, click them links on the right hand side. And until next week, I'll see you then. Bye bye for now.